Hey guys, my name's Claire. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a lovely week and enjoying the festive period. Today I thought I'd do something a little bit festive myself. I'm going to make some marzipan fruits. I like to make these every year to decorate Christmas cakes for my family. They look really beautiful and they're actually pretty simple to make, so I thought I'd show you how. All you're going to need to make these is some white marzipan, some cloves, a small knife, various food colours. I've got both pastes, the sugar flare ones, and some gels. I would recommend the pastes because marzipan is quite sticky and you don't want to add any extra liquid. I'm using a whiteboard to make mine on because I don't want to get food colouring all over my worktop, and a cheese grater. I'll explain that later. Okay, we will start with the apple, nice and easy. I've also put some gloves on to stop me getting food colouring all over my hands. Just needed a little ball of marzipan. And I would take some green food colouring. I'm using quite a dark green, so I won't add too much. You could add more of a limey green if you wanted. Depends what kind of apple you're making. Okay. We have some green now. I'm going to take a small blob of this, roll it into a ball, like so. I'm just going to give it a little squeeze to flatten it slightly, like that. And then we take one of our cloves. I love the smell of cloves, it just smells like Christmas. And we're going to take a couple of these. One of them, you see it on a clove, I don't think the camera's going to focus, but there's a little blob, a little bit at the end. I'm just going to take that off. Like that, and then we're going to stick this part into our apple, like that. Do you see? Hopefully it's focused, so I'm not sure. And then the other clove, oops, we will put in the top the other way round, form a little stalk. You see? So there's our little apple. We will dust it also actually with a little bit of food colour dusts. That will really bring it to life. I'll do that at the end. Now with this same green, I'm also going to make a pear. So we're going to do the same thing, roll it into a ball. Then we want to kind of pinch the end, like this, so that it's narrower on the top and round at the bottom, sort of pear shape, like so. This is quite a nice colour for a pear. Perhaps would have been better to do the apple in more of a limey green. But hey ho, we're saving time using the same colour. Cloves again, a couple of these, and we'll do the same like we did with the apple. So I'm just going to take the end of this and pop that into there. on the bottom, and then again for the stalk, like so. That's our pear, and again we will dust that with a little bit of food colouring dusts. So there we go, we have an apple and a pear so far. Next, ooh, what should I do now? I think we will do a lemon. So I'm going to colour that up. I don't have any paste colour for lemons, so I'm going to use this Colour Splash gel, but I'm sure that'll be fine. I think what I'll do is I'll get these colours all ready and then show you how to make the fruits, because it's not particularly exciting seeing me colour up the marzipan. It's the most boring part, but that's what we're going to do next. So I'm going to do yellow, orange, red, and then peach. And I'll show you what other fruits we're going to make. Now we have our nice yellow for lemon. So once again, with a small blob of this, roll it into a ball, like that. Now with this one, we're going to pinch one end to make that narrower, and then do exactly the same on the other end. See, so it's kind of fatter in the middle and narrow on the ends, just sort of a lemon shape. You can keep working with it until you've got it right. Okay, so that's about right, I would say. Then cloves again. I'm just gonna nip the end off and take that. You wanna insert that in. Sorry about that, my camera battery died. Lemon. Now this is the cheese grater part. To get the kind of lemon skin effect, we're going to use this, the smaller, what do you call it? Smaller grater side, and just gently roll that, or roll the lemon onto the grater. And it will produce a sort of lemon skin effect. To be honest, I don't think this is going to show up on the camera, but when you try it for yourself, you will see. So there's our little lemon. I've also just coloured up a little bit more marzipan, so we've got orange, peach, and a bit of red. So we'll do the orange next. Again, same thing, very easy. Roll it into a ball, like with the apple. There we go. And take our cloves, 2 of those, nip off the little, oh, I broke that one. Nip off the little end. Okay, then put that into the orange, and on the other side, put that in so you can see. And there, and like we did with the lemon on the cheese grater, just gently roll that. You don't want to press too hard, otherwise you're going to misshapen your orange. You won't be a round ball anymore. Camera battery died again. I don't think I was very prepared today, was I? Never mind. So we've done the orange orange. Now I'm going to move on to the peach. Take a blob, it's a bit too much. Roll it into a ball. Okay. Nice round ball. Now I'm going to take my knife and actually using the blunt end, the blunt side of the knife, I'm just going to sort of insert that into the ball like this. It's basically going to look like a little bum, but peaches kind of do look a bit like that. So there we go, and I'll just re-roll it into a little ball. Okay, this is not my best peach that I've done, but you can hopefully just about see. I don't think it's focusing. And we will dust that with a little bit of red. Give it rosy cheeks for our peach, and that will look really cute. And okay, so we're on to the final one now. I've done some red. I'm just gonna make some little cranberries. This is the easiest one of all. You're just rolling into much smaller balls this time, so in comparison with the orange, it's much smaller. Just roll a few of those. You could do a strawberry. If you wanted to do a strawberry, it would be similar to a pear. You would pinch the end, roll it into a ball, pinch the end like this. In fact, let's just make a strawberry, shall we? Let's make a strawberry. It's a sort of strawberry shape. Just about. And a clove, we only need one for the strawberry. Put that on the top, on the fatter end. You see? Like that. And again, we'll do the cheese grater. They kind of have like tiny pips almost on the surface. I don't know, I'm no strawberry expert. And there we go. There's our little strawberry. So, let's just move this marzipan out of the way. We have our fruits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 fruits, a nice little collection. I'll probably make a few more when it comes to doing my cake so we can fill the top. Final step. We've got some dust colours. I'm going to add a little bit of red to my apple. I want a rosy apple. So, I've just got a very small amount on my brush. And just gonna, I think it needs a bit more. You see? Just blend that in. I like an apple with a bit of red on it. Like a Braeburn. Oh, the stalk's coming out. Okay. You see? There's our apple. Now for the pear. For the pear, I'm going to use a brown. So we'll do it on the bottom part here. Bit of brown. The pear. I feel like these look better in real life. perhaps not showing up so well on the camera. But I do feel that it makes the fruit look a little bit more realistic. So that's those. The lemon and the orange and the strawberry we just leave as they are. They don't need any dusting. The peach, I will be doing some red again. With red on the peach. Rosy cheeks. There we go. Perhaps just blend that in a bit more. And there we have it. Our 7 marzipan fruits. Cranberries stay as they are also. And you can just leave these, it's just focusing on my face. I'm very sorry about this. You can leave these now to dry out a little bit, or you can put them straight on your cake, or you don't have to put them on a cake. Not everyone likes Christmas cake. You could just put your marzipan fruits in little petit four cases, and they would make a really lovely gift in a nice box or something for any marzipan lover out there. And that now brings us to the end of this video, short and sweet, you know me. I really hope you enjoyed it, and let me know if you have a go at making some of these marzipan fruits yourself this Christmas. I would love to see your photos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!